Alright, here we are with modals again, chapter 4. Remember, no endings for ich, er, sie, es. And here are some examples. Ich kann, er kann, so no endings. The second thing you need to remember about modals, umlauts disappear for the ich, er, sie, es form. Remember, ich darf, er darf. So modals have vowel changes in them. Okay, now there is one other modal, mögen, and this one is tricky because it has two different meanings. And it's a good idea not to get them mixed up because you might say something and embarrass yourself. Alright, so mögen, I'm going to give you the conjugation of möchte because that means that you would like to do something, you like to have something. So möchte has to be followed by a second verb. And that means I'd like to eat, I'd like to go home, whatever you would like to do, but it has to be followed by a verb. Alright, now look at mögen, that's the infinitive, right? This verb changes completely. So the G becomes a CH, it keeps its umlaut, and it adds endings to I and he, she, it. That isn't crazy, right? So, again, umlaut stays, G changes to CH, the endings for ich and er, sie, es are I. And you remember the other modals had no endings, but this one is irregular. So, endings for I is ich, ending for er, sie, es is I. So, two I's. Alright, let's pronounce it. Ich möchte, du möchtest, er, sie, es möchte. Wir möchten, ihr möchtet, sie möchten. So you see it's the same form all the way through except for the endings. Alright, here I gave you an example how we would use it. Ich möchte diesen Kuchen essen. Remember I told you möchte needs to be followed by a verb, second verb, and here the second verb is essen. I would like to eat this cake. Ich möchte einen Brief schreiben. Möchte, here's the second verb, schreiben. I would like to write a letter. Now at the bottom I have mögen again, but here it has a different conjugation. Here the O umlaut changes to A and it follows the same rule as the regular modals. No ending for ich and er, sie, es, and the infinitive is reflected in the plural, wir, ihr, sie. Okay, you see this? However, this modal is not followed by a verb. It's followed by a noun or pronoun. So, mögen means to like something or someone. Okay, so you're expressing a liking for a person or a thing. So you can say, ich mag dich. Dich is a pronoun and it means I like you. Huh? Or you can say, ich mag den Kuchen. I like the cake. So you see a form of mögen followed by a pronoun, and here it's followed by a noun. And don't get the two mixed up because you can get into embarrassing situations. So remember, möchte, the form, the conjugation with möchte means that you would like to have something, to do something. It's followed by a verb. Mögen, this conjugation here, ich mag, du magst, is followed by a noun or a pronoun. And it means to like something or someone.